Hi YouTube, what is up guys? And today I'm going to be showing you, as you can see by the title, it's going to be real simple, just a short video. It's going to be how to make a cobblestone generator. It's really easy. A lot of people do like skyblock or one block skyblock, stuff like that. That's what I do, and you need cobblestone and stuff, you know. So, let's go ahead and get right into this. So first of all, you're going to need a water bucket and a lava bucket, and I believe that's it for now. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go like that. See, 4 blocks wide, 4 by 1. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to want to do that right there and put water right there. As you can see, the water will go down right there. And then as soon as you do that, here, wait, hold on just a second. Let me get out a pickaxe. And you're going to want to do that, put lava right there. Then, boom, just got infinite cobblestone. It's a really easy thing to do, you know, like, you just do that the entire time. It's super easy. You can get like a ton of stuff from it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed and that this will help you out. If it does, then please go ahead and like and subscribe and leave a comment on what tutorial I should do next. So see you guys next time. Have a good one. Goodbye.